Hi
everyone!
guys! So we thought it would be fun to do a video of like how well do you know your BFF?
Oh my
We were
god!
totally inspired by those shows that are like how well do you know your newlywed or your partner or something like that. You know? Like that's cool. So we're going to be asking a series of questions to each other to see how well we actually know each other.
And it's a way for you guys to get to know us as well.
Yeah! Yay! Okay, do you want to go
going
first? Okay, I'll go first.
Oh, like I have to answer first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I have my questions on my phone, but my answers on my lap.
Okay.
Okay, so I moved here when I was 3. What TV show did I watch to help me learn English?
How am I supposed to know that?
I told you before.
No, you haven't.
Okay, then take a wild guess.
All I know is you moved here when you were 3.
Okay, take a wild guess.
Period. Saved by the Bell.
No.
Beverly Hills 90210, Sesame Street. I mean, I don't know.
Sesame Street. My questions are harder than Nora's, I have a feeling.
Like, come on.
Okay, your turn.
This is an easy one. What's my astrological sign?
Oh my god, that's so easy, Pisces.
Yes, this is. They want to get to know us too.
Oh my god, that was.
Ani's
too
made
easy.
it like impossible. Like I'm a bad friend or something right now.
Okay, what did I want to be when I was younger?
A writer.
No.
Oh my god! Like, how young are you going? I didn't know you then.
My email address is still.
That makes sense.
What's my favorite animal?
Dog.
No. Monkey, chimp.
Oh,
Come
I
on,
don't know. Is a dog everyone's favorite animal?
Second favorite.
What high school did I go to?
Armenian private school, Pilipos.
Yes.
Your questions are too easy.
No, they're like facts about me.
Okay. I think you'll get the next one right.
You keep saying that.
What was my first car?
Mustang.
Yeah.
Woo! That's when I met you.
Okay.
See why I would know the answer?
Hello, it's just general knowledge about your BFF when they were younger.
Whatevs.
Okay, go.
What's my favorite TV show?
CSI. Law and Order.
Those are 2 different shows. Pick one.
For me, it's the same thing. Law and Order.
Law and Order what?
SVU.
Yeah.
Okay, what's my favorite movie?
No idea.
Oh my god, Serendipity, the
No.
cheesiest, worst movie ever, but I love it.
You've never told me that. We've never watched Serendipity together.
What,
Never.
Have we ever seen a movie together?
Yes.
What movie?
I don't remember, but we've seen movies together. We've watched shows together. Serendipity. You're picking the most random things.
How well do you know
This
me?
is failing. Fail. This is total BS. Like you're setting me up to fail.
I'm not setting you up to fail. I want to know how well you know me.
Oh my god. Thank God we're not on an actual game show where we're gonna like compete for money because this would be a big failure.
I would be doing pretty good.
No, we would be on the same team against other couples and other BFFs. We would be losing, okay?
Okay, well, I'm getting you ready for that.
Oh.
Okay, what's your next one?
All right, my next one. What's my favorite place to visit during the winter time?
London. Okay.
See?
Where do I have a...
Where did I store that one makeup palette when I was 14 years old and I just recently found it?
Where do I have an obvious big birthmark?
Big birthmark.
Yeah.
On your thigh?
Yeah!
I got it. I got it. I mean, I've seen you naked, so that's how I know. Okay. How did I meet Jonathan?
You met Jonathan through a friend.
You didn't get it completely right.
We met through the same friend.
It's my cousin.
Yeah.
So blind date through my cousin.
Blind date through your cousin.
See, you almost didn't. Didn't get it.
Almost
didn't get it.
I'll take a half a point for that. What was my favorite toy as a kid?
Here we go again. Just throw away all your kid questions. Throw them all away. I didn't know you before you were
Cabbage
15.
Patch Kids. This actually tells you guys a lot about our personality because we made up our own questions. I'm going deep.
Ani's going like deep. This is shit she wrote in her diary that no one knows.
No, I asked Patrick, he got all of these right except one. Okay, what's your next one?
Okay. What's a weird, quirky thing I do that you always laugh at me? No.
Um,
But that is another weird thing I do.
I don't. That's the weird thing you do.
No, I do another weird thing.
Huh?
No.
What
It's
is
how
it?
I apply something.
Whenever she's putting on lipstick, she goes like this.
Doesn't everyone apply chapstick that
No,
way?
no one applies chapstick that way.
Funny enough, I brush my teeth like that too.
She moves her head and her lips and not her hand. Makes no sense. What's my Starbucks order?
Cappuccino.
Yeah.
See, current times.
I
Current
did
times. Current time. It's not easy. It's current times.
Okay, go.
What's my favorite alcoholic beverage?
Champers. Bloody Mary. Oh yeah, okay. But that's your current name.
How well do
Remember,
you
it used to be
know me? How well do you know me?
What was the name of my first dog? Come on, you know this one.
Did you ever have a dog named Lola?
No.
Okay, that was another friend that I knew from childhood, so I would know that little detail.
Yeah.
Ani's like, back in Tehran again. What was that little
What was the
stray
name?
dog that my dad brought home?
What was the name of my first dog? I rescued it.
Bear.
Boa the bear.
Bear. I got half a point. Where did Jonathan propose to me?
In your backyard. At the house.
Yes.
Because I helped set it up.
We were in escrow in our house, and Ani and my brother-in-law Danny broke in,
Yeah, we did.
and then
Trespassing.
they totally set up this cute little spot right here, back in the backyard. And then Jonathan and I broke in because he had to show me something. Like he made an
To
excuse about like I don't
Some
know.
fireplace thing, right?
Yeah, like there was foundation issues because we were having such issues with being in escrow. And then I walked into like a whole setup.
I remember it was really windy and we set up like 100 candles and they just kept blowing out. So we were just going around in circles relighting. Like, okay, they're gonna come into the dark.
And I didn't know he was setting up to like propose. And like when he got on his knees, I'm like, wow, baby, you really went all out for our anniversary because it happened to be around our anniversary.
Oh, cute.
Okay, what's my?
Wait, it was my question. What's my favorite takeout?
Oh, there's a lot.
Yeah, I mean, I have this like every Friday night.
Thai.
Thai food.
See, you should make it clear.
Thai Fridays.
Thai Fridays. That's what I know. So what do we do on Fridays? Thai Fridays. Because you like In-N-Out. You like pizza.
Yeah.
You know.
Thai Fridays.
What's my favorite activity on Sundays?
Brunch. What am I scared of more than anything else in the entire world?
Man, this is bad if I don't know it, huh?
Yeah. I've hid behind
Oh,
Facebook.
aliens. Fact. One time.
You didn't get that right. I was gonna just walk away.
I was
and
like,
go home.
no, it's not spiders. Like, what is it? What is it? Ani, Patrick, and I were really drunk one night. When Ani and Patrick got married, they were living on Sunset. Okay,
Above
Sunset.
Viper Room.
The Sunset
By
Strip.
Viper Room.
And the three of us are like, let's go on a bar crawl or something. We had those great ideas, you
We
know.
decided to start on one side of Sunset and then end up by our apartment.
Walk, okay? We would go into every bar, but halfway through this whole thing, did we? Oh,
It was a drone.
It was a drone. I'm like, Ani, look, aliens. She literally hid behind me, terrified.
I hid behind a tree.
Oh yeah, you hid behind the tree. I did have a picture of that. And Patrick and I were just dying of laughter. So I don't know if it was because we were so drunk it was
We
funny.
were definitely drunk.
Or if it was because you're afraid of aliens.
A little bit of both.
Yeah, and then one time she fought with me, like full-blown fought with me because she was afraid of aliens and I
Well,
made an
because-
alien joke.
No, you tried to be like, did you see that article that they discovered this alien? I'm like, what? Would you tell me that? Anyway. Okay, go.
What are my nicknames to Jonathan, Aya, and myself? Like my family nicknames.
You're Lizzie. Jonathan is Lammy.
No, there's...
Oh, the Cleavers?
No.
No.
Lambs McGams, Aya Magaya, Lizzie McGee.
Oh God. I wouldn't have known the last name.
How well do you know me? You don't even know our nicknames
I
to
said
each
Lambs
other?
and Lizzie.
Oh, no, it's evolved.
Okay, what's my all-time favorite TV show?
Friends?
Friends.
See, I know you. I redeemed myself.
I clearly won this challenge.
Wait, I have one more question.
Oh, what is it?
Who was my crush in middle/high school?
Celebrity crush or
No,
regular crush?
regular crush.
Oh man.
See, this is the kind of questions you asked me. Like, oh, in 1984, who was that guy I saw that I said, oh, he's cute?
I don't know. Who was it?
Greg.
I don't know.
He was the guy.
Clearly, you didn't talk much about him.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you didn't know me then.
Okay, wait. So the challenge is gonna get a little harder now.
Uh-oh.
So our cameraman Martin is gonna ask us a few questions
Okay.
that we didn't pick or
Okay.
decide, and then we have to answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Bring it, Martin.
What can your best friend cook?
Ooh.
Ani makes a bomb, like, breaded pesto salmon.
Oh, and you make that bomb ass lobster mac and cheese. Oh, you haven't made that in a long time.
Lobster mac and cheese. Oh, yeah. I make a good mac and cheese.
Yeah.
I do.
What is one place in the world your best friend would most like to visit?
That we've been or we haven't been?
Nope, haven't been.
Oh. Switzerland?
So random. So
I don't
Switzerland.
know. That you haven't been? Oh, you want to go to Vienna?
Yeah, but it's not like one place that I want to go to.
Then what is it?
Like a bucket list
Yeah.
that's like that I don't have in the plans yet. Hong Kong probably.
Okay. What's mine?
Yours is a place that you haven't been that you would want to go to.
Yeah.
Egypt.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. See? Who listens current times?
What are 3 items your best friend always carries?
Ooh.
Ani always has deodorant, hand sanitizer wipes,
Wipes.
and chapstick. That's pretty accurate.
Deodorant, not always, but most of the
Every time I need deodorant, you have it. I'm so annoying that Ani finally bought me like a little deodorant that I carry in my car.
Nora always has really small purses, so you don't carry a lot of stuff with you.
I'm the annoying friend that like rolls up with my ID and phone. I'm like, hey, can you keep my phone on you?
She doesn't carry anything with her. Like literally, we went to an event recently. She didn't even bring a purse. She's like, here, can you hold all this for me?
True.
So literally, her ID, her credit card, and her keys is what she has with her.
No, I don't have keys because my house is like lock code.
Yeah. Sometimes her car key. That's it.
And
Not even full keys.
And Valet takes that, so I don't even have that.
What time does your best friend get up in the morning?
Pre-babies or after babies?
Post babies.
Post babies. Nora wakes up at 7.
Yes, Ani too.
Yeah.
What is your best friend's favorite school subject?
English. Oh, literature. Greek mythology.
Yeah, baby, you redeemed yourself. Nora's favorite was
None.
none. I was gonna say nothing.
PE.
What superpower would your best friend want to have?
You would want to read people's minds.
Yeah. Or fly.
Oh, that was my other option.
Yeah. I feel like it's the same for you. I feel like it's the same for everyone.
I wouldn't want to read people's minds.
You
That's
wouldn't
like
mind
I'm
flying,
really,
though.
really like. I don't know.
I feel like I would rather fly because I spend so much time in traffic.
Yeah, you do. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed our fun little Q&A with each other.
I redeemed myself. That's all I would like to say.
Did she?
I did.
Did she?
I did.
Why don't you guys let us know?
How-
Leave a comment below and tell us who knows
No, we're not closing yet. We're not
best.
closing the subject. Ani picked really hard questions for at a time that I didn't even know her.
It's not my
And-
fault. You picked the world's easiest questions that everyone knows about you.
No, not everyone.
Everyone
Only
knows
my
you're a
BFF.
Pisces. Come on.
Only my BFF would know these
Well,
things.
leave us a comment below and let us know who won the challenge. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.